be some relief for several bars and restaurants. Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi has provided clarity on the Supreme Court order banning sale of liquor within 500-meter radius of state and national highways. He told CNBC TV 18 today that the ban order applies to liquor shops and not bars and restaurants. Ashmit Kumar is here with more. Ashmit, you must be relieved. There's much needed clarity there from the Attorney General. But this is, of course, as a part of an opinion submitted to the Kerala government. Does the Supreme Court order specify that bars and restaurants will be exempt then?
Well, that in fact was the key bone of contention here as far as the December order is concerned. In December, the Supreme Court, in a judgment with respect to road safety, had directed that across all national and state highways within a 500-meter radius, liquor cannot be sold. Now, it was ambiguous on whether it applies only to vendors, liquor vends, or if it also applies to bars and restaurants. And what that led to was a huge amount of confusion. A huge amount of bar and restaurant owners were dealing with this legal question of whether or not that order applies to them. Now, there are huge swaths of properties across the country, in fact, specifically in Delhi, in Chandigarh, cities of Pune Express Highway. Now, these are just a few examples. Now, there were big worries, and here is that the Attorney General has clarified today that he believes that as far as the Supreme Court order is concerned, it's confined only to liquor vends. It does not extend to the bars and restaurants. He goes on to say that these bars and restaurants will not be affected by the order and need not fear closure as was anticipated.
Right.
Mind you, the Supreme Court order had said 1st April, but the AG has clarified the air on that order.
All right, Ashmit, thanks.